I have a topic here about burnout. And I've been thinking a lot about burnout, especially in the context of AI. And I have the following question. If those tools are making us more productive as software engineers, does this mean that we will be burning out way more? Because usually non-technical people, how they reason about things. Oh, you can use AI to do this 5 times faster. I want 5 times more performance out of you. Just use AI in order to obtain that performance. And this will surely produce a lot of, pressure towards software engineers to be more productive when the tools, yes, they make you more productive, but it's not like a magic wand where everything is just happening. So what's your view on that?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was thinking about that a lot because I would say that not that somebody expects you to do a lot more, but how to say it? Well, when you are solving a problem, we talked actually about that a little. When you're solving a problem, there is interesting stuff like engineering stuff, and there is mundane work, something that you just have to write. And yeah, it may be boring, you may be tiresome and so on, but you are not thinking it because you just have to do it. And this way, your mind can rest for a little. And using ODI tools, if this work is done for you, Copilot or Tab9 or ChatGPT doesn't matter. If all of this is done for you automatically, you don't have this rest time. So you're always like thinking. That's my thoughts. I'm not sure if the burnout rates will increase. I think they are pretty high right now.
They are.
So yeah, but I think that I know you can use the time left because when you use AI, you are more productive. I would not say 5 times, like as you said, like people managers want it to be, but more like 20 to 30%, something like that. But you can use this time to like rest, and by rest I don't mean drink coffee and smoke. We do this anyway, but to like rest your mind and learn new things, as Ivo said, like review your code, something like that. That is, it's intense work, but it's not as intense as writing the algorithm that solves the problem. So I hope that AI won't increase the burnout rates, but you never know. It's pretty new. We have to see about it.
I can definitely see the point that if you are like relaxing a little while doing the repetitive work, sometimes you just know what to do, you just have to do it. It takes 3 hours, so for 3 hours you're just straight coding, knowing what you need to do. If in the upcoming months we have less and less such a work because the AI is doing it, that means that like most of our days we are going to do heavy thinking and way more exhausting work. That's not repetitive. That is like the core of software development. I can definitely see how this is going to lead you to a burnout, because you can't be like 8 hours a day, 100% just thinking and not doing any repetitive work. My even biggest concern is that there is so much new information about AI, new researches, new papers, new products are releasing basically every day, that if you're trying to keep up to date with them and read basically almost everything, not almost everything, but if you're trying to be on the cutting edge about AI, I don't think that's even possible right now.
Yeah,
it's so much information that I sometimes get tired of reading and exploring different tools, and I'm like, you know what, I'm closing everything. I will check in 2 weeks. If the situation is still the same, then good. If it's not, I guess someone is going to tell me there's something new and big out there. In one of the clients that we are working, there is a full-time person that is reading papers and investigating what is going on here and there, and posting the important information in the chat so we can consume. But it is a startup towards AI, so that's kind of important for them. And there are a lot of new things going out like almost every day.
Yeah, absolutely.
new models, new articles with a lot of information, new researches, a lot of things.
Absolutely.
As with everything else, I think is just there's a lot of FOMO, like fear of missing out, in the software engineering space. And my biggest problem is that the AI that you're using, your co-pilots, will maintain the pace that you maintain. It can run, it can go slow, it's just moving with your pace. And sometimes the thing that's missing is something to actually slow you down and pace you. Like when you're running, you can just run like crazy for a lot of time. You need to be pacing yourself. And I think it's the same with working and especially software engineering. Sometimes you need to pace yourself, because otherwise you'll just burn yourself out. And my other concern is all the toxic managers that will push people to perform more because there's AI now. Like, you have no excuse not to ship this thing this week, because come on, just use AI. And I've heard such things, and that's why I'm raising. I don't have a good answer for the question. It's just something to think about.
Absolutely, absolutely.